yourself together! You're right. Humble apologies, everyone. It's just, I've never seen Gogeta look like that. I mean, possessing 2 Saiyans is quite enough. But possessing a fusion? Whoa. Well. That's where things get, well, spiteful. Well, I got news for everyone. Tonight we're gonna draw Gogeta's, well, oddest transformation. We're gonna draw Super Ultimate Baby Gogeta. If you saw my episode involving Baby Frieza, well, for starters, Baby, also known as the Tuffle King, took the liberty on fusing with one of the Saiyans from one of the Dragon Ball fusion. We are experiencing technical difficulties. Well, to sum up, this guy, also known as the Tuffle Leader, took the liberty on fusing with one of the Dragon Ball fusions from one of the best movies. And I'm not just talking about Broly. I'm also talking about the fight where they battled against Janemba. Yeah, I never forgot about him. Anyhow, let's get started on drawing this Tuffle Leader. Just when I thought that Janemba was tough, fusing with Gogeta would be more of a cinch. Let's fuse with someone, shall we? There we are. Sum up, much like the other Tuffle fusions, like Trunks, Hachiak, Janemba, drawing this, much like the others, we start by drawing the wings. Well, after we draw the eyes and the hair, Alright, so this suit, he's pulling on his vest. Alright, here are the abs. Be sure to draw 4 lines. You ever seen that part involving Goku battling against the strongest? I saw Jiren and Granola fuse. Interesting, huh? Remind me I have to draw that one of these days. And there it is to it. That's how you draw the fusion of Gogeta and the Tuffle King. Well, created by Dr. Mew. First time drawing this guy. Anyhow, that's how you draw. That's how you draw Super Ultimate Baby Gogeta. Be sure to like your mark and subscribe to my channel, and let me know what new fusion you want me to draw next. I'm always here, and I won't stop until they're all complete. Good night.